are going to discuss about the topic on conditional sentences. Okay? So conditional sentences is a sentence like which expresses conditions that are required to be followed. So in conditional sentences, the sentence starts with if or and as a whole. Okay? So there are so many definitions for conditional sentences. Okay? A sentence often starts with if or unless is called as conditional sentences. So according to so many dictionaries and other things, the sentence or a term, the rule, okay, where if you have if in a sentence, that means you have a condition. So that depends on the other following sentence. Give a clear sentence. So you have if in a sentence. So that means a condition. So where is that condition? That condition follows on the other sentence. So that is the conditions. So if the condition is called as if, the word if is the condition here. Okay. So you can also use unless, the word unless for conditions. So there are four types of conditional sentences. As we discussed, we have zero condition. Yes, we have zero condition. So what is the zero condition? The sentence structure of zero condition is yes. The sentence structure of zero condition is you will have if condition in a sentence. So, zero condition, that is the first condition here. Why it is called as zero condition? Because we don't have any different rules. So the sentence structure of zero condition is you will have if condition, the word if is the condition in the sentence. So where you have if, there it will be in simple present. So yeah. So if plus simple present plus simple present. So there will be two sentences. One main clause and another subordinate clause. The main clause is what gives you a complete meaning. There you have if condition. Okay. So this if condition continues with the second half, which gives you meaning. For example, if you heat water, so that is the conditional sentence. If you heat water, so it boils. So if you heat water, there is no answer. Okay, that continues with the second sentence, that is it boils. So the condition is continued in the second sentence. So if you see, why we call it as zero condition now, you have both the sentences, the main clause and the subordinate clause comes under simple present tense. You don't have any change. So the complete condition can be simple present. Yes. Then the first condition. So the first condition is like the same. So condition is what if we call it as. So first condition there is one change, that is instead of the same simple present, we will be using simple future. Okay. So instead of remembering a simple future, you remember that the first condition in the sentence structure will be like if plus simple present. So if condition where you have the if word, there that sentence should be in simple present. So the continuous of this condition should be in simple future, that is will. So if you go to the zoo, so here is the condition. If you go to the zoo, we are not sure what happens. Okay, so the happening is what the condition. So if you go to the zoo, you will see the animals. Okay, you will see the animals. So this will as a future. Okay, so that is what we call it as first condition. Because zero condition, both the what and happening is in same simple present. But the first condition, if condition is in simple present, and what happens, that is in simple future. Yes. So we have a condition that we are using, which is what is called as first condition. And the second condition is called as imaginary condition. Okay. Second condition. You have imaginary condition. What is meant by imaginary? Means what you cannot make it for real. Because if I want to be an animal, will it be possible? If I am a dog, I'll be very, very what? Loyal to my owner. Okay? Whoever growers. So that is what was in that case. Some things we talk right. If I were the child of your father, I am so happy. That is not possible. When you talk about such things, you have to know that you are supposed to use put the condition yourself for all the condition in a sentence it will be in the main thing, what we actually talk about. So the happening, yeah, there we will talk about this tense change that is, can be will, will be good or something. So where nothing is going to happen, it is completely imaginary. In that case, we are always supposed to use the word would. Yes. So now let me ask you one question. So what is zero condition? What do you have? You have two sentences. Both the sentences are simple present and simple present. So what is called as condition in a sentence? What is condition in a sentence? Why we say it is a conditional sentence? Because we have a word if. Remember that it was called as conditional. It's conditional or otherwise it is called as conditional sentence. So here if or otherwise called as conditional